Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove and install a kitchen faucet. First step is to turn off the water going towards your faucet. Then turn on your tap to make sure all the water is out of your pipes. Now you will disconnect the supply hoses. For the next step, you will need a screwdriver. I'd recommend wearing glasses in case of any falling debris. You'll see two screws holding the bottom plate so the faucet doesn't move around. You'll have to unscrew the plate. Make sure you follow the instructions provided with your faucet and use this video as a guide. I'm taking apart the weight used for the spray hose. I'm attaching the weights to the spray hose, usually indicated with a piece of tape. Now I hook up the faucet supply line. Remember, the right is for the cold and the left for the hot. When the supply lines are firmly connected, we'll turn the water back on and hope for no leaks. Once you're all done, try to tap to see if it's functioning correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.